up, YouTube? It's Aaron with Siegfried's Motorworks here today with another unboxing video. I already did open the box, so sorry to spoil the surprise there. But this is a part for our Cafe Racer budget build that we're in the middle of right now. The goal is to build the coolest Cafe Racer we can and try and stay within a $1,500 budget. So one of the things that we bought for the bike, and we did buy this product on eBay. I did a whole pile of looking around because there are a ton of these available in different sizes, and you see different reviews on them. The one I went with kind of fit the look we were looking for a little bit better, but I'll put a link to this cowl in the description, so if you're interested in buying one, you can get it there too. Initial impression of the boxing is poor. It just came in a regular cardboard box. You can see here the edges of the box are crinkled in. I was actually glad that my parts came and weren't cracked in half. So, but that's something you're expecting when you're paying $40 for a headlight cowl. It did come in bubble wrap, so at least I guess it would be halfway safe from something happening to it. But this is the part when you pull it out initially. My initial thoughts on the fit and finish. Inside here you can see there's a little bit of discoloration, but I'm not really crazy worried about it. We're going to be having this painted anyway. It's supposed to be ABS plastic. I don't know that I would say it is ABS plastic though. It is a little bit flimsy, so hopefully it holds up well. But it comes with the cowl, some airbags, and then it does come with smoked windscreen. There are two variations of this. You can get it with the matte black and a clear shield, or matte black with a smoke shield. The windshield's actually pretty nice. The windshield's pretty standard for any kind of motorcycle windshield you're buying. So, for what that's worth. This is just the bracketry that comes with it. I'm hoping everything's there. I guess I can open it up for you guys. You can see. And look at that. They even gave us a screwdriver with it. You want to come in and take a peek at that? So it does come with a screwdriver and then all the hardware that's supposed to be necessary, and then this bracket. One thing I'm going to tell you is if you are buying this specifically for any kind of bike, these are universal. It doesn't matter what it says. If it says it's going to fit your bike, it's a universal fit. There is going to be some fabrication involved in getting this to fit on your bike, all said and done. But at any rate, that's what you get for $40. We'll see how it looks. If you're interested in watching us build this Cafe Racer, I will put a link to that video up here, as well as in the description, and also a link if you want to purchase this, a link in our description to the listing on eBay for one of these. So thank you so much for watching. If you can, please like the video, leave a comment, let us know what you think, and if you are so inclined, smack that subscribe button.